Yeah. Go.
I don't. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna turn around. Oh, I forgot how to ride bike. How do you put on the brakes? Okay, your turn.
Keep on. It's on.
Oops.
Yeah, it's kind of white. Okay.
Turn it on?
Turn on! You need to see this. Then I won't be able to record it. Hey, baby girl, what you do
We're far
tonight?
behind. Can you read the Bud Light? I want to be too good.
Why does she have it?
I want to see her. Give me some more. Hey, baby. I can be you. Hey, baby. Alright, we're done. You guys like Hershey? I like Hershey.
You can do this.
Okay, ready? We're gonna say lock. Go up here now, and then you stay back, and then you come up forward. Oops. Okay. I can't really see myself.
Can you turn it?
Come on. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Chug, 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 chug. Lexi. Do it again.
What do you want me to do? Why don't you go
Just-
first? Or should I just? What do I do?
Yes.
I can't drink when I'm moving.
Just do something. Wait, go. You don't really see them as they pour, though.
Should I get a handful? And
Hit, just do it again. Just keep pouring.
I'm just afraid that it'll like bounce.
I guess, yeah, you could kind of see it.
Is it on record?
Hey, Lex.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Food. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then we'll do a part. Dad? Disgusting.
Go.
Get that.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know, it stinks over here.
Okay. We should dance by the tire. It looks like a junkyard, like where Kesha would go.
Yeah, if we were.
Yes, we are.
Alright, what should I do for... One, you're not in 2, 3, 1.
One.
Wait, Dad, no.
One.
Your face is cut off.
Okay, now do it. Say hi.
Yo.
All right. Tosh.
I hate you.
We'll do it together.
What do you want me to do?
Just jump. And then I'll like zoom in and stuff, so it'll look cool.
Okay, I'm jumping.
Lex is jumping.
Is it on?
Yep.
It is?
Yep.
Oh no! My shoes.
All right.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. This is not good. 1, 2, 3. It's like a ribbon. Alright, that's enough. How do you bring it on the trampoline?
On.
Alright, let's watch it.
As long as it doesn't fall.
You have to be able to go like down this way.
Stay. I have a feeling this is a bad idea.
I know, but oh my gosh, and it's crooked.
Fine, fine, fine. Where do you want it?
Oh my god. Well, you can put it in the yard right there. You can put it on the desk.
Always have to have it your way, don't you?
Alright, no, go put it back over there. We'll see how that works out.